What is up, guys? What is up, guys? Today from under the car we have Tommy Dunkhaus. We are putting in mounts. Got one there, one here, goes there. Let's make it happen. Every good bracket starts with a good drawing. Just a quick sketch up on the whiteboard today. Super exciting stuff, but it's kind of nice to get all the numbers out of your head onto whiteboard, paper, cardboard, napkin, whatever's lying around, so that you can just go and make it without making it up along the way. Cut some steel. Right, so you smart cookies know the deal by now. We mark one out, weld them together, make all four at once. That way they're all identically the same. You're not having to do extra marking out. So I've got my drawing up there on the board to refer to, so I'm not trying to work it out. So this first hole here is going to be 25 down from the end. One in the middle. So this is a 75mm plate, which means I want 37 to the center. Double check it, because I'm not the world's best mathematician. Right, now on my drawing from the center point there to the front of the diff's 120, I want to know the center of my hole saw, so that it worked out to be 157, the whiteboard says. That's what we make it. Again, 37. Now the better you're marking out, the better the bracket. So get really good at marking out and never second guess yourself. So do it properly, do it once, don't second guess yourself. If you second guess yourself as you start to go make parts, that's when things go wrong. So design it well, mark it out well, don't second guess your marking out, make it well, done. Get good at marking out the center pop as well. Start with a little one, get it just right. A little hit. If you've made a mistake, you can move it around a little bit. And once you're happy, do a miss hit to make sure that you're completely right, and then hit it properly. Wear eye protection, please. It's kind of important. If you want to race the car, you need to see where you're going. Right, now up here I want to do a nice radius. So we're going to set this to 25. We'll go to the 100 mark. 125. Gives us 25mm. Right, that gives us a nice radius to follow. Now, then I always try to make the brackets look somewhat pretty. Good looks are important. Something looks pretty, interested in driving it. So I'm just going to run out that radius there. Right, marked out. Pretty happy with that. Weld them together.
Yeah, Ma. Yeah, Ma.
Nephew's got busy the other day, so we'd cut out everything that needed to be cut out on the other side in increments, as we were sort of chasing the idea and seeing where everything needed to go and where it wanted to be. So once we knew all that, this side was a straightforward mark out and then cut out. So this will make room for the strut tower that will need to be built, and then our upper control arm comes through here. Mounts that we made, let's get them on. Oh! Four links, baby. 4 of them. So these are the rear coilovers that are going to go in for the diff. I need to know where the top is going to mount in the car so that I can build my roll cage to that point. It's not going to be where this shock is as it sits here. So I've got about 100 millimeters of suspension travel. So as the car sits at ride height, I'd like it to be halfway through the travel so that I can travel up 50 mil, down 50 mil. Lad that comes in with the nephews helped me make these the other day. So this is a mock-up strut. So you can see that top mounting point sits reasonably a bit lower than where this currently is here. So that now tells me exactly where this mounts.